Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 70. The remote server has been paused or is in the process of being started. Error sharing paused on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. Right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here under available list of services, scroll down and look for the option print a spooler services. Right click on it and restart. First choose start. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart print the spooler services. After that, open its properties windows, apply a double click on it and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. Basically, it's a printer related or disk drive related issue. So you must restart your printer spooler services and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here click on troubleshoot. Open it. Here choose other troubleshooters. Click on it and here run network and internet troubleshoot. There may be a possibility of network related issue, so you must apply Windows inbuilt tool troubleshoot and run network and internet troubleshoot. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process, and after that check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to the problematic folder and right click on it and choose properties, and here from the top menu bar go to sharing and here under advanced sharing click on advanced sharing, and here make the check against option share this folder. This feature is should be duly enabled and choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to Bluetooth and devices. Here scroll down and go to printers and scanners. And here choose your printers having issues or problems. Open it and open print queue or clear all your print queue. And also go to printer properties and make sure that this printer is working properly or having tick mark, green tick mark and working properly sign.